Now for our feature story of the day. Breaking news. Trump media announces a $2.5 billion Bitcoin Treasury deal using Crypto.com in Anchorage for the Bitcoin custody. This is the big story of the day. So let's break this baby down. And obviously, there is a Bitcoin conference going down in Vegas right now at 30,000 people, including the Trump family, who are going to be speaking. But check it. Trump Media and Technology Group, TMTG, the company that owns U.S. President Trump's Truth Social platform and is partially owned by the president, confirmed, already a done deal, $2.5 billion capital raised to purchase Bitcoin after denying earlier reports of the deal. Remember, Max Kaiser reposted, $3 billion buy for the Trump family, and then they kind of like brushed it off like it wasn't real. And then Kaiser called him Employee of the Month. Well, it is real, and it's been confirmed. $2.5 billion. Take that. According to the May 27 announcement for the company, which was as of today, the company raised comprises a $1.5 billion stock sale and a $1 billion convertible senior secured bond with a 0% coupon. Sounds like the sailor put in full effect. The sale is expected to close on May 29th in 2 more days. Quoting their CEO, Devin Nunes, "We view Bitcoin as an apex instrument of financial freedom, and now the Trump media will hold cryptocurrency as a crucial part of our assets, Bitcoin in particular. This investment will help defend our company against harassment and discrimination by financial institution, criminals, drug traffickers, anti-money laundering, tax avoidance." Meanwhile, TMTG spokespeople responded to the initial report from the Financial Times published the day before the announcement. As I referenced, we shared that headline yesterday. Apparently, the Financial Times has dumb writers listening to even the dumb sources. Ironic enough, it was true. Womp womp. Shares of TMTG, I guess they didn't want people to know the news ahead of time, so they denied it, fell over 12% following the announcement, and we're trading at $23 at the time of publication. The funding deal comes as a growing number of corporations and countries adopt Bitcoin Treasury strategies as the digital asset matures into financial instruments of geopolitical importance. Several Bitcoin Treasury companies increased their holdings this May, including Michael Saylor's strategy. According to the Saylor Tracker, the company just acquired another 4,020 Bitcoin, which was just announced yesterday. Also, technology company Semler Scientific purchased 455 Bitcoin, valued at over $750 million for its treasury. An acquisition company disclosed May 23rd. Also, Vivek Ramaswamy just announced purchasing $750 million for their Bitcoin treasury company, which we covered earlier in the headlines. We also have Jack Mallers' company, 21, doing similar things, going to be acquiring billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin backed by the likes of Cantor Fitzgerald and all of the billion-dollar companies like Tether, USDT, which has over $150 billion market cap. Also, investment firm Metaplanet, widely regarded as the investors' Japan MicroStrategy, acquired an additional 1,004 Bitcoin. Can you say supply shock? We also have analyst Jesse Myers recently predicted that the current rate of the institutional accumulation, institutional FOMO like a mofo, which I coined many years back. Large entities will own 50% of the total Bitcoin supply by 2045, and right now they own a minuscule amount. In fact, it's individuals like you and I in the Nippinator that are the primary share of the pie. We make up over 50% of Bitcoin holdings. Governments is like less than 3%. Corporate treasury companies or corporations, a very minuscule amount as well. So that number is going to be skyrocketing over the next 20 years. Myers added that this growth in institutional adoption is driven by the flight to safety from traditional asset classes. Now, when I hear that term, flight to safety, that's something I heard first and foremost from BlackRock CEO Larry Fink when they started to get into the ETFs and start to pre-frame people for the ETF that went live, which was officially January 11th of 2024. It's only been a year and a half, and they already have over 600,000 Bitcoin, bro. And over the last 2 years, an exodus from the fiat assets, bonds, and money has already begun. Now prepare for the fiat bond apocalypse. Hard money assets, Bitcoin, and gold are the things that are shifting. It's where we're shifting to. We're Peter shifting away from the gold and into the Bitcoin. And what is the gold market cap right now? I dare say it's 22 trillion. Bitcoin market cap, a light 2 trillion. That means we can 10x from here before we catch up to where it should be, because Bitcoin is a superior store value. All day, every day, no question, impregnable, borderless, divisible by 100 million Satoshis. It is unconfiscatable. Lizard folk, try to take it away. Best of luck. You're going to need it. And so you already know. And if you don't know, you figured it out by now. And so there you have it. And if you decide to continue to stay ignorant and never know, have fun staying poor.
We call them poor.
You know, there's a name for them.
There's a name for them.
But anyways, fam, welcome everyone to the Q&A segment of the live stream. We're going to continue with this stream, uncensored style, exclusive on X on Rumble. So if you're on YouTube, you ain't got to go home, but get the hell out of here. Visit us on the Rumble. Let's continue for another bonus hour, uncensored. Deuces to the YouTube. And the YouTube stream should be ending any moment. And we're about to transition it to the Rumble. So let me go ahead and open the Rumble feed. And again, welcome everyone just joining us. We're up to 1,200 people on the feed. Let's get it. I'm going to stick around for a bonus hour. Uncensored style. Talking my shit with the nip.
We call them poor.